What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now today's breaking news is on the Nothing, and the Nothing Phone 1 launch date has been revealed and the phone is launching on 21st July. And not only that, we also have its pricing and what you have to expect from this smartphone. Now before getting this video, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel for latest technology updates and consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom. So moving on towards this video, then we know that the Nothing Phone 1 will be coming with the 7th series of smartphone Qualcomm processor, which is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 possibly. And not only that, this phone will be the waterproof, and it will be coming with the wireless charging capabilities too. Now it will be coming with the two cameras at the back, but the main camera and the ultra wide camera, no more gimmick camera, will be present in the smartphone. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 will be the newest processor from the Qualcomm, which Qualcomm has recently announced, and we have yet to see how good it actually performed in a smartphone. Now talking about the price or range of this smartphone, then it will be launching at the very much packed smartphone price range, and it will be launched at 500 euros, which you can convert around 30 to 40,000 rupees in India. The launch date is 21st of July. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this news about the Nothing Phone 1? Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.